Kamo ra gyud nila hutay. Congratulations. So dili ako mo proceed. Magpasalamat ako sa mga apostolic team. Kay kung wa ni sila, wa gyud tay mahimo. Kaning mga yilo mao ni. Timan ini mga dagwaya ni. Kumon kay mga dagwaya ni. Mao ni nagtabang nato. Okay? Yeah, and also our ever die-hard spiritual director, Father Mark Tampos also. Thank you very much, Father Mark. Sa likod. Okay? For our 20 years of marriage with my wife, nakoy mga 4 o 5 nga akong i-share kaninyo. Primero, I think each one of you na amang may mga cellphone, di ba? Maluya good mo, malubat good mo. So you need to recharge. So what will you do? Since you are not cellphone, you need to attend Holy Mass as much as possible every day. That is how we recharge our life. Sigurado ko sa tanang problema, up and down, bottomless, limitless, we need to recharge. And you have now the advantage because you have received the grace. It's 180 degrees from state of sin to state of grace. Dili yun na siya ikabaylo. Ikaduha, kinahanglan mo vitamins. Kinahanglan yun mo vitamins kay parang makalahutay gihapon ta sa tanang problema. So unsa man nga sakramento that will serve as a vitamins, it is the Holy Communion. Now, since you received the Holy Sacrament of matrimony, you can now receive also Holy Communion every day. That is your vitamins. Can you imagine that Holy Ghost there is the body and blood of Christ? We need Him. Lisod yun, to tell you honestly, lisod yun without supernatural help. Okay? Ikatulo, ikasal mo karon, di ba? Nangaligog yun siguro mo. So why kunok ayaw kaligog usa ka tuig? Di ba biyaan kag imong asawa o bana ba? So the sacrament that will wash you is the sacrament of confession. Maunay mo hugas ninyo. Kung kinsa to wala makakumpisal dinig usa ka tuig, 2 ka tuig. Just try to imagine the smell of that soul. So take care of your soul by washing it through the sacrament of confession. Every week. Ayun na pabuta og sa katuig, 2 ka buwan, 3 ka buwan. Every week. Okay? So that's one. This or personal experience, kanig yung atong paminaw mga boys, mga men, ha? Kaya kanig yung atong mga asawa ko usahay, factory design gud siya. Usapay ato ila 20 na. Wa gyud tay mahimo anak kay mo ginoy design nila. Sa kaila na kapuyan ra man na. Okay? Kamo pud mga asawa, ingnon ninyo mga bana nga dili makigdungan og lalis ninyo. Kay usahay god sa puto ng bana, uya-uya pa pud ang asawa. Samot ka ulbong kaspanas bana. Kay kapoy pa unya. Hasul-hasulon pag yun. So pagsabot mo nga, sa puton mo, ayaw mo pagdungan. Okay? Muhilom mo naman na. Otherwise, plato manggawas sa bintana. Lastly, ako gini siyang balik-balik, no? Sa mga different batches. We have several batches already. Ayaw gini kalimti. According to Father Peyton, he said, the family that prays together stays together. Again, the family that prays together stays together. Naana mo'y rosaryon diha, gamitan na, dili na dekorasyon. Naanay Santo Niño o nominaryo diha, gamitan na, sampita na siya. Dili po na siya dekorasyon sa altar. It is just for you to remind that there is a God who is with us. That's the symbolism of the image. Okay? So dili na ako magdugay. Welcome to the club. Thank you very much.